probably will hand over this bit to Christy so he can talk through a few slides on the floor heating side. All right.
Thank you. We'll go back to the start. If you don't mind, just can we have a hands up who's doing a rebuild, a MICA rebuild, and who's new builds? The rest, okay, no bother, that's fine. So thank you all for coming. We're open Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Anyone's available to drop in here at any time and look at the systems we do, or a system that you're putting in your own house that you can come and see the products that you're putting in. We've noticed over the reason why we're doing these information in the evenings, and especially this one, we're dealing with a lot of homes at the minute, a lot of rebuilds, retrofits and that. And what we're finding coming up all the time is there's no room inside the house for a general hot press. There's no room for equipment. There's nowhere to put the heat pump. There's nowhere to put the mechanical heat recovery ventilation. And that's not your fault or our fault. It's down to the design of the house and maybe making architects and engineers more aware of the room that's needed inside the house, because we go out to houses to mark them out like I done today on a certain project, and there's nowhere to put the equipment, and then it becomes our problem because it's up to us to decide where it goes. Yeah, that's true, but there's no locations inside the house, and you'll see that in a set of plans here as we go on. So Martin's probably touched on a few things. We're plumbers and electricians. Underfloor heating, air to water geothermal, mechanical heat recovery systems, solar PV systems, and grants. So we do a large range of stuff across the domestic and the commercial market, so we do. Underfloor heating, most houses now, if we go back 12 years ago, it was like 70-30, 70% radiators, 30% underfloor. It's completely flipped in its head. It's on the floor now all the time. It's standard practice. Sometimes we feel we still need to talk about it, but everyone's doing on the floor now. It's going into all houses. It's by far the more comfort system. A proper designed, detailed system is by far better than radiators or any other form of heating in the house. But it's very important that the underfloor heating is designed and tailored to suit your needs in your home. So it is. There's one thing putting pipe in the floor, but it needs to be designed to suit. With the underfloor heating with ourselves, we put a thermostat in every single room in the house, including bathrooms and en-suites, and that's still the case today. This is a full detailed design of our underfloor system. So we populate a set of these drawings. We do a full detailed design for every single house that we do. Shall it be a MICA rebuild or a new house? So you'll see here where this is the utility units. We stay out from them, obviously. This is your larder or pantry or that, where there's food storage here, and we stay out from underneath the kitchen units. So everything's designed, and you get a copy of these. We have a copy of these to always to refer to in the future. If there's ever an issue, there generally isn't, so there's not. The reason we ran through here in these particular areas, we didn't have a full layout from the customer for bathroom suites at that stage. So it's important from the ground up that you have an idea of what you're doing, determine bathroom suites, kind of bath, shower, locations of equipment again, because a lot of times it's preferable that we get involved from the ground up, and we do that in a lot of projects where there's pipe work, duct work, water pipe work to go onto the subfloor, and that saves busting through holes after and trying to get that sealed up again in these airtight houses. And also you have to deal with vermin in the future as well if you go through holes through the subfloor trying to get them sealed up correctly.